And now we're going to do 500 groups, which these are where it gets really fun. Kids, even second graders, can add 500 numbers and they love it. So we're going to go 756 plus 967. Now, this will take a lot of room because we're going to expand it a lot. We're actually going to need 6 columns. We need 2 for the 700, we need a 500 group and a leftovers. We need a 50 and a leftover, and a 5 and a leftover. This is where we need to make sure we're very nice and neat, we're tidy, our columns are lined up. Again, before we do this, we want the kids to get an idea of what their answer will be in. We look at it, we say, oh, we know it's in the thousands. Well, how do we know it's in the thousands? Well, because there's a 500 in both numbers. So we have a 500 there, we have a 500 there. We know that 500 plus 500 equals 1,000. So we know it's in the thousands. Now, when we add the extras for the ones, there's an extra 1 in 6 and an extra 2 in 7. So we know that we're going to have a 3 in the ones column. So all we have to figure out is how many hundreds and tens. But look at that mental math we're teaching the kids right in second grade. All right, a 700. It's a 500 plus a 200. Notice it's exactly the same as a 7, which is a 5 and a 2. It's exactly the same as a 70, which is a 50 and a 20. But now we're in the hundreds. A 50. It's a 50. We don't have any extras, so we just put a 0 to hold that column. A 6 is a 5 and a 1. Again, 900 is a 500 plus a 400. A 60 is a 50 plus a 10. A 7 is a 5 and a 2. Again, it looks like a lot of work, but it teaches place value and helps your students understand it. We see a 500 and 500 and we're like, yes, we have a 500. And at 500, we circle it, we write 1,000. 400 plus 200 equals 600. 50 plus 50, yes, we have 100. 10 plus 0 is 10. 5 plus 5 is that great 10 again. 2 plus 1 is 3. Now we've got a long drawn out equation. We're just going to combine like terms. 600 plus 100 is 700. 10 plus 10 is 20. It's really easy to push these numbers back together. So 1,000 plus 700 plus 20 plus 3 equals 1,723. Great way to solve it. I actually had one of my second graders last year say, Mrs. Johnson, can we do one in the 50,000s? I told him, no, our boards weren't big enough. He actually said, can we combine our boards together? We did, and those second graders got an answer that was in the 100,000s, simply by looking for those 50 groups, 5 groups, 500 groups, 5,000 groups. That's why it's so important to teach this. You want to spend weeks and weeks practicing this. It's a great strategy, and the kids love it.